Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. For your daily energy, career situation, and relationship, I'll be picking few cards, guys. So, first for your daily energy, Scorpios. For your relationship, I'll be picking few more cards. So, these cards are for your relationship, guys, Scorpios. And few more cards for your career situation. So these cards for your career situation, and I will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. So let's start with the daily energy, guys. Scorpios. Abyss of stars, 5 of spears, and 8 of suns. So these are the cards for your daily energies, guys. So in your situation today, your wisdom and your intuition is working hand in hand today, helping you to move forward in life, make positive decisions, whatever will work right for you. It may be, or it may be someone in your life, maybe an important person. This person, a woman, guys. So someone in your life, it may be your friend or a sibling or your partner in business or partner in life. So they are uh, having that clear perception, clarity, and wisdom. It may be your energy or it may be this person's energy. So they are coming forward, helping you, suggesting you what you need to do today. And you have a sense of um completion, guys, in whatever you do. Because in your heart of hearts, you know that you are making the right choice or right decisions. And you are making those honest decisions today, guys. That is the energy, that is also the energy. Maybe you trust this person, you may lack that equal amount of trust on you. You have to have that trust on you also, guys, faith in you too. So that is the negative thing I see with these cards. Other than that, you are proceeding in a positive way in life, progressing towards a happiness, success in life, and you are seeing major changes because luck and your hard work is aligning today, uh, giving you this positive push in life. And maybe for some of you, you are falling in love with a person. Maybe if you are open to a new relationship, guys. So you may see someone interesting and uh, you may be interested in a relationship with them if you are open to a new relationship. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily energies. Let us see what are these cards for your relationship first. It's Ace of Moons in reverse, Pope of Stars, and Ace of Suns in reverse. So, with these cards in your situation today, guys, in your relationship, you are seeing some kind of difficulties. Maybe these energies, guys, just like just before we spoke of um, falling in love. Maybe this may be the energy with your past relationship for some of you, I see. So, with this person, you may, what to say, you would have felt that they are quite dominating you, um, forcing their authority on you in some ways, trying to dominate you in some ways. So that was the reason for certain things going drastically for you in this connection, guys. So that may not work. Or maybe for some of you it was a one-sided love you had towards someone. So that was not working. They were not interested in you, but you were interested in them. Or it may be vice versa, guys. So some kind of you feel some kind of stuck to the past, stuck to your past. Maybe for some of you, you find it really difficult to uh, give up your past. So not finding that freshness today, what is needed today for you to have that positive change today, guys. So you need to let go of your past, guys. There is someone approaching you. So that is what we see. So if you want this new love, this vibrant new love in your life, Scorpios, you have to let go of your past memories, past hurts, and move forward with this present situation. Only that way you will be able to um, find this new love interesting, guys, and find the truth in this new love. So that is what I see with these cards, Scorpios. Let us see what are these cards for your career situation. It's Nine of Moons in reverse, Seven of Stars in reverse, and the Fool. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, Scorpios, in your situation, in your career situation, you have an immature attitude today. Uh, you are just going with the flow, however your situation is turning. So some kind of innocence is there in your actions, and you are totally unpredictable. You are not following a set pattern or rules for yourselves. Again, that may not work well. If you want things to go in a right direction in your career, you have to have that perfect vision for your career, guys. Only then things will go right. And you are not taking up the good counsel people are giving you. So there is someone who is giving you suggestions, counsel on what you need to do today. So you need to listen to that also if you want a positive move in your life, guys, progress in your life. So they are warning about some things. So you need to listen to them, guys, in your career. If someone is telling you something, you have to see whether there is something in that for you. And if you do that, you will be able to avoid certain mistakes happening if you are uh, able to listen to them, find out what is your situation, and understand your career situation maybe before making some important decisions. So you will avoid certain mistakes, Scorpio. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Scorpios, for your daily reading. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.